For certain foods, we need to cook them up to a certain temperature to kill germs. So we have these food thermometers. So you put these in your food so they can tell you what temperature it is. Make sure it's in there enough so that it gets the temperature of the inside of the food. After we poke this into our meat, what do you think we should do?
Wash it.
Wash it, that's right. And then we'll sanitize it also to kill the germs, so we can use our sanitizing wipe. If we have stuffing for our turkey, we wanna make sure that also gets up to 165. We cook that separately from the turkey. We don't want to stuff it inside the turkey.
When you guys have family gatherings or holiday gatherings and you're making like a big giant bird, right? Like a big turkey. Do you think it's best to just leave the turkey out on the counter for, like a day to thaw out? No, right. Outside of it's going to get nice and warm and the inside's still going to be kind of frozen. All these little germies that we were talking about are going to jump on there and have a good time. So you just make sure that it gets thawed out the proper way. Either thaw in the refrigerator for a few days. That's probably the best way to do it, but you just gotta make sure that we're being careful about that kind of stuff.
That's a great reminder for our Thanksgiving coming up soon.